Hey, it's Bob, Home Cook Basics. Thanks for coming back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe down below. So today we're talking about how to saute mushrooms and onions. Mushroom and onion sauteed go great on burgers, they go great on a steak, you can put them on the side, or you can put them in a rice bowl like we're gonna do that tonight. There's a few key takeaways you should think about when you're sauteing mushrooms and onions. You might just think, throw them in a frying pan, saute them up, and you're good to go. Just let them keep cooking and cooking. But unfortunately, a lot of people put way too many in the pan. They put them in a cold pan, they don't have a hot pan, and they don't brown the mushrooms and onions. See, when you brown the mushroom and onions, you're bringing out that flavor. You're doing what they call the Maillard reaction. And that's what gives flavor to meat, vegetables, and all kinds of food. The other thing a lot of people forget to do is season it. So it's really important to salt it. Salt enhances flavor, and that salt is another key takeaway. So we want a hot pan, we want to make sure we season them, we want to make sure we don't overcrowd them in that pan, and we got to make sure that we brown them. So let's jump right into it. Let's saute some mushrooms and onion. So that's it, sauteing mushrooms and onions. You're gonna love these. You're gonna love the flavor that they bring to your burgers and your steaks. So thanks again for watching, and please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time on Home Cook Basics.